Do anti-bark collars work for howling? If you have a dog that howls, you might be wondering if anti-bark collars can help manage this behavior. Let's break down how these collars work and whether they can be effective for howling. Anti-bark collars are primarily designed to respond to barking. They detect the vibrations from a dog's vocal cords when barking occurs. However, howling is different. It produces a continuous tone and less intense vocal cord vibrations. Because of this, most traditional anti-bark collars are not effective for controlling howling. There are two main types of anti-bark collars to consider. First, we have vibration-activated collars. These collars detect the vibrations caused by barking and deliver a correction, such as a mild static stimulus, vibration, or spray. Since howling does not create the same level of vibrations, these collars often fail to respond to howling. The second type is sound-activated collars. These collars respond to the sound of vocalizations. Some advanced models can be adjusted to detect howling by recognizing specific sound patterns. This makes them more suitable for dogs that howl rather than bark. From a veterinarian's perspective, understanding the reason behind the howling is essential. Howling can indicate anxiety, attention-seeking behavior, or distress. Using a collar without addressing the underlying cause may not only be ineffective but could also be harmful to your dog. For dogs that howl due to anxiety or separation distress, behavioral modification techniques are recommended. These techniques can include environmental enrichment and possibly professional training. Relying solely on anti-bark collars, especially those not designed for howling, may not address the root problem and could increase your dog's stress. If you decide to try an anti-bark collar for howling, look for collars specifically designed with adjustable sound detection or vibration sensitivity for howling. These collars typically use gentle corrections, like vibration or citronella spray, rather than static shocks. This approach helps avoid causing distress to your dog. In summary, most standard anti-bark collars do not work well for howling because they rely on vibration detection suited to barking. Sound-activated collars with adjustable sensitivity may be effective for some howling dogs. It is important to identify and treat the cause of howling behavior rather than relying solely on collars. Using humane correction methods and positive reinforcement training can minimize stress and promote long-term behavior change. While some specialized collars can help reduce howling, anti-bark collars in general are not reliably effective for this vocalization. Addressing behavioral causes is essential for successful management.